Okay, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the new data program preview webinar. We would like to announce an exciting update that McMaster's Big Data Analytics program is now restructured into 3 new data programs: Data Analytics, Data Science, and Big Data Programming and Architecture, starting fall 2020. Today, we'll give you a rundown of the various program streams you can take within our new data programs here at McMaster Continuing Education. My name is Sarah McMath. I will be facilitating the session today. Okay, so we do offer certificate programs in data analytics, data science, and big data programming and architecture. And that's what we'll be talking about today. The difference between the 3 program streams is based on their level of difficulty. The data analytics is entry level, while data science is intermediate, and the big data programming and architecture is an advanced program. The data analytics stream welcomes people with limited work or academic background who just want to break into the field with technology and data, or want to do more analytics as part of their current job. The data science program is for students or recent graduates who have completed courses related to analytics or statistics, business intelligence, or something along those lines in their previous degree or diploma, or for professionals with work experience in data analytics as well. The third program, the Big Data Programming and Architecture stream, requires a completed degree or diploma in science, computer science, technology, mathematics, business, or engineering, or prior work experience in technology and data-related fields such as data analytics, data science, computer science, IT, or software engineering. We do also offer a certificate of completion in each of these streams for those of you who are intending to acquire prerequisite knowledge in only a few topics, or if you're looking for a high-level acquaintance with basic topics. So a certificate of completion could also be a good choice if you wish to learn new specific content in machine learning, big data, or cloud platform to add to your skill sets or prepare for professional designations down the road. Okay, so let's dive into some more details on each of the 3 streams, beginning with data analytics. There are 7 courses in the data analytics program. At least 5 courses must be completed to receive the certificate. The first 2 courses that you see shown here are highly recommended if you have limited or no background or previous experience in computer programming and statistics. Program courses should be completed in the listed order shown here. And the last course is recommended in case you are interested in following up with the data science certificate after graduation from the data analytics program. Stats course, or one of the top 2 courses shown here, is a prerequisite for the last data analytics and modeling course. You may be aware that McMaster Continuing Education also offers courses in open source intelligence. And these non-credit open source intelligence courses, OSI 101 Tradecraft and Operations, and OSI 102 Python for Basic Collection, those courses can be applied toward a certificate in data analytics on a case-by-case basis. So please check the data analytics webpage for more information about the open source intelligence courses, and just contact us directly if you're interested in this option and we can share some more details about that. The data analytics program offers different learning formats. So typically we offer in-person, online, and virtual classroom. The in-person format requires you to meet at our downtown Hamilton campus once per week for 3 hours over the span of 8 to 12 weeks per course. The course length just varies for different courses. But please note that in-person courses are currently suspended due to COVID precautions, but we will continue to offer virtual classroom courses in fall 2020 and winter 2021 instead. The virtual classroom sessions are held once per week at a scheduled day or time, and classes will use a combination of live, real-time, instructor-led sessions and asynchronous activities equivalent to 3 hours of teaching content. Okay, so on to our intermediate level stream, data science. There are 7 courses in the data science program. At least 5 courses, equivalent to 15 academic credit units, must be completed to receive your certificate. Basic computer programming and stats courses from the data analytics stream, or the first 2 courses listed here in the data science program, are recommended for students who have limited or no education or work experience in computer programming and statistics. The design of the program is to have each course build on the previous course, so it is recommended to complete the courses in the listed order shown here. Machine learning for big data is recommended in case you are interested in pursuing the big data programming and architecture program after completion of the data science program. And the capstone course should be completed in your final term of study. An introductory statistics course, or the first course listed in the data science stream, and the data analytics and modeling course are prerequisites for the remaining courses that you see here. The data science program typically offers 2 learning formats, in-person or virtual classroom. Again, note that in-person courses are currently suspended, but we will be offering virtual classroom courses in fall 2020 and winter 2021. Now we'll take a look at the advanced stream, the big data programming and architecture. There are 6 courses in the big data programming and architecture certificate. At least 5 courses, or 15 units of credit, must be completed to receive the certificate. The first course is recommended for students with limited background and work experience in data management, and it's recommended to complete the courses in the listed order shown here. The cloud course is a good starting point for those of you interested in pursuing a designation such as a certified cloud practitioner or cloud solutions architect. The cloud course will segue into the new AWS Academy Cloud program that will be launching in fall as well. Again, the capstone course should be completed in the final term of your study. An intermediate or advanced statistics course, data analytics, and computer programming are prerequisites for most of the listed courses here. And as with the other streams, courses will only be offered in a virtual classroom format for fall 2020 and winter 2021. We won't be offering in-person courses, but we do look forward to doing that again in the future when it's safe to do so. There's no application process to begin your studies with the data program streams. To enroll in a course or one of the programs, you can simply register online. You will need to meet the following requirements based on your education and work experience. For data analytics, no previous education or work experience is required. That program is open to anyone. For data science, you should have an introductory level, academic or work experience in data analytics and statistics. And for big data programming and architecture, an intermediate level academic or work experience in data analytics and statistics. You should have proficiency in computer program applications, including Word, Excel, and also Access for data science and big data programming and architecture. You need to be a mature student as defined in the undergraduate calendar of McMaster, or be deemed an exceptional case by continuing education. Prospective students in this category must contact the program manager for consultation and evaluation of past education and professional experience. So just to reiterate, there is no formal application process. Students are not required to submit any documentation prior to enrolling. It's simply your responsibility to review these requirements and ensure you meet them prior to enrolling online. All data programs do follow a bring your own device policy. The minimum level of laptop requirement is included for each course in the course description and the outline. So if there are specific resources required, it will be listed and shown there. Data analytics and data science streams could lead you to a career in technology, informatics, business intelligence, web analytics, foundational data analysis, or machine learning. Big data programming and architecture could be a starting point for a career in big data architecture, data engineering, cloud technology, and web analytics across many different businesses. There are many types of jobs to explore as analytics, and data-related jobs are found in multiple industries and service sectors. So specific job titles would include data analyst, business data analyst, data reporting analyst, business intelligence analyst, statistical analyst, data management analyst, database analyst, data management analyst, business insights manager analyst, data quality manager, digital analytics, marketing analyst, data specialist, machine learning engineer, data scientist, data engineer, or data architect. So wide range there. And the salary range for data analyst positions is about $40,000 to $70,000 annually. And the salary range for machine learning or a data science role would be about $60,000 to $100,000 annually. And for a data architect position, you're looking at about $70,000 to $130,000 annually. The data analytics program can typically be completed in an online or in-person format. For the next two terms, DAT 100 and DAT 102 courses are delivered in a fully online asynchronous format. Many of our students take between 1 or 2 courses per term, and the program should be completed within 3 years or less. For the data science program, it can typically be completed in an online or in-person format. For the in-person format, the capstone project course is set up as a blended delivery, which would be a mix of online and in-person sessions. And each course is scheduled to have a weekly 3-hour session, typically spans about 12 weeks. Many of our students do take between 1 or 2 courses per term, and the program should be completed within 3 years or less. And then finally here, the big data programming and architecture program can also typically be completed in an online or in-person format. The in-person format for the capstone project course is set up for a blended delivery again with a mix of online and in-person sessions. And each course, whether it's in-person or virtual classroom, is scheduled for a weekly 3-hour session and typically spans 12 weeks, except for second term courses. Many of our students take between 1 or 2 courses per term, and again, the program should be completed within 3 years or less. Just going to take a moment here to navigate to our website and just show you around a little bit of the information there so you can find what you're looking for. I'm just at our home page here. Click on our programs list. Take you to our program page. And then under our technology section here, you'll see our new programs. So here you can see the open source intelligence program that we were referencing. Okay. For the data analytics program, again, this would be the intro level. This is all the information about this program here. So for the data analytics program, these links on the left are the same for all our programs. So the course descriptions link will give you a bit more detail about each of the courses that are within the program. So if there's any prerequisites, they'll be listed there. Gives you a bit of a snapshot about what is covered within each course. You to the data science program page. It'll be very similar. You'll see the same links are on the left here for you to access. Course outlines links will give you the most detailed information about any of the courses. So if you were to click on any of these courses here, it'll tell you the specific dates, how the course is broken up module by module, and assessments that are used in that course as well. And then there's some information here on each page as well about specifically what's required to earn a credential, each of those credential options, as well as if you want a little more detail about what each course format includes, then this would be the page where you can get more details about that. And then one other page I would also recommend for all students to visit, whether you're brand new or even if you've only taken one course, if you go to current students and then click on our Getting Started link here on the left, this is a great page to review so you know exactly what to expect, the systems you'll need to be using, where your course is delivered, and basically everything you need to know as a new student. Okay, I'll leave it at that then. Thanks again, everybody, for joining us today. For those of you who have any remaining questions or very specific questions, I'll just pull up our contact information here one more time. A reminder just to send us an email to contact@mcmaster.ca. And of course, you can always find quite a bit of information on the website there as well. And the phone number shown here is not active at the moment, so please reach out by email.